Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to use Harmonize in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have two images. One is woman image, another one I will use it as a background. I click and drag into Photoshop to open the background image. Next, we can go back to File folder. I click and drag into background image to import as a new layer. So we can adjust the size and I move it here. I press enter to apply the scaling. Next we can go to layers window. If you don't find layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now I select the woman layer and then go to window and show contextual taskbar. And then we can find remove background button, click it and wait a moment. So background is removed. Next, we can find Harmonize button. Click and wait a moment. After generating 3 variations of Harmonize layer, we can find it. The first option, the second option, and the third option. I think they are good. I choose first option, and then if you want to have more option, you can generate once again. So we can see that before and after for the harmonized layer. So this is how we can use Harmonize in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.